Places Lake Friends!
Uh-huh. Scene 1, magic take.
Let's play Guess the Sound. Close your eyes, listen carefully, then guess. A splash?
That was me. Was it the rainbow reeds?
Tweet, tweet.
Correct.
A bubble?
A pebble? An echo acorn?
It was 2 sounds.
Great job, Lake Friends!